Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the
Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's video is going to be a Sephora haul. I haven't bought makeup in so freaking long. It is really not funny. I've only been getting my essentials, like the makeup that I wear on a daily basis, my go-to makeup. So I decided to go makeup shopping. I want to really get back into my makeup. I've been slacking, okay? Slacking. I know a lot of people are like, oh, your makeup always looks good, but girl, I want to get back into experimenting. So I decided to go to a few different places, but I have to split this up into separate videos because it would be the longest video ever, to be honest with you, because I went nuts. So in this video, I'm going to do the Sephora haul, and this is makeup, and then I'm gonna do another Sephora haul, which will be skincare. I'm going to do an Ulta haul, and I'm going to include things that I got from MAC, Estee Lauder, etc. Okay, because I also went to Macy's and checked out a few different vendors there. Okay, so stay tuned if you want to see this video. So the first thing I picked up, this is some skincare as well, but this is the Made to Mask by Peter Thomas Roth. I've actually had this before, and I want to get back into my skincare. I do like a basic skincare as of late, but I want to get back into doing masks and, you know, stuff like that. So I decided to pick this up, and to be honest with you, I absolutely love 3 of these. This one, I don't know, I don't have an opinion of it as of yet, but the pumpkin enzyme mask is really freaking good. Also, the Irish Moor mud is really good, and this is actually my favorite mask, like, of all time, and this is the 24 karat gold mask. Like, I love it. Now, they are expensive, but if you get this is only $58, okay? But if you get one of these a little bit bigger, this one is the one I wanted. It's like $75 or $85, I can't remember. So I decided to pick this up because you get 4. It's a really good size. It's gonna last me a very long time because, you know, you don't do masks every single day and you get to like rotate between them. So I thought this was a really good value and a good pickup. One thing I don't do is waste my money. If I'm gonna spend money on it, it has to make sense, okay? I am not rich. So the next thing I've been wanting to try for so freaking long. This is the Glow recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's so freaking pretty. They dragged it with this packaging because this is mad big. Like, we didn't need all of this. This is what it looks like. It's pink. It is so freaking pretty. And when I was purchasing it, the cashier was just raving about how this is amazing. So I can't wait to try it out. Okay, so one of the foundations that I use, because I actually like mixing my foundations, so I either mix 2 foundations or 3. Now I know that's a little bit excessive. That would be for someone who's really into doing their makeup and has the money to invest in, you know, 3 foundations, but for me it is necessary because I'm gonna start with this foundation. This is the Lock It foundation by Kat Von D. Now this by itself I really don't like too much because this is a full coverage foundation. However, and it's not my color, to be honest with you. However, I noticed that when I mix this foundation with other foundations, my foundation stays in place longer. So I might mix this with a cheaper foundation, like from the drugstore, and it will stay longer and it will be locked in, because this is really the truth. It's a locked in foundation. So I love this, and I get it in deep 74 warm. But again, this is not my color because I'm not warm. I'm yellow tones, so I'm kind of like bright. and I could wear neutrals sometimes. It really depends. But yeah, I mix this with my other foundations and it comes out really, really good. So I always keep these on hand, all right? So I have 2 of them that I'm just putting in a stash, you know, while I get them, you know, while I'm in there, I'm just like, let me pick it up while I have the money. That way I don't have to keep buying it, keep buying it, keep buying it. My favorite, this is another one of my favorites. This is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. I love this mascara. I use it on my top and my bottom lashes. It is amazing. And girl, it was on sale for $16, all right? $16. So I had to pick up 2. I think it's still on sale, so get it while it's on sale because this is like $38 a piece. So this is another one of my favorites, okay? The Sephora Micro Smooth Face Compact. Y'all know I have been using this for years, like literally years, before everyone was using it, before it was the biggest thing as far as, you know, setting your makeup. I have been using this. I remember when I first did a video about it. It was like one of my favorites, and I was so upset because after that these were sold out for mad long. Like I could not get my hands on my color, all right? And I am deep 60, all right? And this is actually, I think they have one more color after this. I'm not sure. I never see it in the stores, but my friend was just in Virginia and there was a deeper color. And I was like, wow, that's crazy, because in New York we only go up to 60, but they had a deeper, I think they had like number 56 or something like that. And I was like, wow, they need to put it everywhere. But yeah, this is the best freaking setting powder, like period. I set my whole entire face with it, and this is my exact color. So it just, I can't use anything else, but it is comparable to I can't remember what powder by MAC, but yeah, the MAC powder used to make me oily, but it was just like this. But this one, girl, no oil. I picked up the Dermalogica. This is the Daily Microfoliant. Okay, so I wanted to try it out. This is a brightening powder exfoliant. I really want to exfoliate my skin sometimes because I have stopped doing that as well. So this is going to get rid of the dead skin. So I definitely wanted to try it out. This is pretty expensive, so I got the sample size because it was cheaper. Okay, and I want to try it out and make sure it actually is good for me. And if I do like it, I will go back and purchase the full size, all right? But yeah, I cannot wait to try this product. This is the product that I was the most excited to get my hands on, and this is a primer. I had to try something different, and everyone, when I say everyone, has been raving about this product. I had to try it. So this is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip primer, and I was so excited, like, oh my god, I've never been this excited to try a product. Like, oh my god. So I got it. I am so, like, so far so good, because I used it today and I already saw a difference. Like, as soon as I started applying my makeup, I felt like it was literally gripping the makeup. Like, it was like, girl, you about to stay in place all goddamn day, all right? We're not gonna play with Toya's makeup. So I was like, okay, Grip. I was like, okay, Milk. I see you and I hear you. My makeup came out so flawless today. Like, I am so happy. I haven't had like a really, really, truly flawless day in like weeks. So I am so happy so far with this makeup, and I mean, I am so happy so far with this primer, and I just pray to God that it continues to work. And I'll probably give y'all an update on how I feel about it. I'm gonna get back into doing my monthly favorites, because I think that is something I think was really, really good for YouTube, because you really got to see how people felt about certain products, like true opinions about how people felt about products. Like, you know, with a haul you just show everything, but with a favorites you get to really know someone's opinion about a product. So I'm definitely going to get back into my favorites. Let me know what y'all think about that. But that is it for this haul. This video is freaking long enough. I didn't even think it was going to be this long, because to me this is not even a lot of products. I just got double of a lot of the products. But I do thank you for watching. Definitely stay tuned. I know I said I was going to be back ASAP, but girl, I just wasn't ready, and I feel way more ready now. I can't commit to 2 videos a week. However, I am going to work on doing as many as possible, okay? I really am. I'm going to try to do it whenever I have the energy. I'm gonna try to push myself, because I do want to get back into doing YouTube videos. I'm starting to enjoy it again. I'm starting to enjoy life. I'm starting to get back on track. I was depressed for a very long time, as y'all know, because I lost my brother, and it's a very touchy subject, and it's like a up and down thing. Like, you just really never know how you're gonna feel day to day with grieving. So I'm actually having way more, you know, okay days. So I would like to just push myself to do a little bit more, and I enjoy doing YouTube videos. I love y'all. Y'all are so supportive, and I love helping women. So I'm definitely gonna try to get back in the habit of doing more videos. I thank y'all so much for sticking with me and being so patient and just being supportive, and I am grateful. I love you guys, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye.